Hey guys, so we're here in Long Beach at HICCUPS restaurant and tea house. If you haven't been here, I would recommend definitely coming. If you're looking for a refreshing summer drink, they have anything from the typical milk bobas to teas of all kinds, strawberry, taro. Here we got the taro boba shake today, as well as the jasmine iced tea. They're both excellent, great quality. They do use non-dairy creamer for those of you who are wondering or have any sensitivities to dairy, but they also have great food. I love the chicken here and a bunch of the other plates. They have great garlic noodle dishes, so come and check it out. And just in case you're wondering, this is what the front of the cup looks like and the logo. So enjoy.